Hey, good evening. Dan Fitzpatrick here. And I want to look at DQ, which is DAQO New Energy. I'm sure there's a way to pronounce that. I get the feeling by the name that it's probably not from Oklahoma. It's probably Noklahoma, some other nation. But that's all I know. Anyway, I don't know why I went into that. But we put this one on our active trade list today. And I'll get back to this in a sec. But solar today, these stocks were all moving pretty good. And I went through all of them. Scott McGregor, my compadre, had mentioned this morning when we were doing a webinar for OMM, Option Market Mentor, that the solar stocks were working. And so I went and looked at a bunch of them. Here's how you get what the list is, a whole bunch of them, and you can look. They're not virtually, they're all green. Everything went up today. By the way, notice it's like which of these is not like the other? See? Wait for it. Coming out of a squeeze there, popping up above the key moving averages, this seems like the one that worked for me. And so we put that on the list, and I put a suggested stop right around 49 bucks. Stock's up. We bought it lower, but the stock's up 8% today. I don't want to take you don't need to put a stop down here. In order to know that you're wrong. I mean, if this stock, I'm buying it on the breakout, if it pulls back below today's range, like into the 49s, well, then I know that I'm wrong. And then I'm going to exit the trade. So my bet is that this has been some accumulation, and I'm just kind of starting to get in on the markup phase. So anyway, that's all I got for you. Don't really have anything else to say, so I'll shut up and I'll see you next time.